Hello there, here's your weather briefing or outlook from the National Weather Service office in Riverton, Wyoming. And this covers the next few days across west central Wyoming. First message I want to bring to you today is it's February 20th. That means spring begins officially about 1 month from today. 1 month from today, March 20th, spring begins, and hopefully across Wyoming we'll start melting some of this deep snow, especially across the west, and it will turn from white to different colors, especially as we get into the months of April and May. So just a reminder that winter is almost over. How about the near term? Here's our forecast through Friday evening across western and central Wyoming. Take a look here on the left side. This is precipitation, measurable precipitation the next day and a half. Well, most of it is located in the mountains, in the higher elevations west of the divide, as it has been over the last week or two. On the right side, the next day and a half of snowfall expected. And this brown arrow is pointing right back at the Teton Range, and possibly another foot or two of snow here through Friday afternoon into the evening. Some substantial amounts as well on the northern Wind River mountain range, and also the Bighorns can pick up a foot or greater of new snow. So the moisture remains there. The snowfall will continue to add on to all the snow they've had here recently in the high country. How about the lower elevations? Well, fairly dry through Saturday morning, but then all that snow that you saw over western and northern Wyoming begins to spread across the state, across the lower elevations of the central and east. Therefore, we at least have a chance of snow across the entire state. Take a look at this image in the bottom right. These deep green colors indicate a good layer of moisture across Wyoming, and that will be pretty much through the entire day on Saturday. And again, in this west to northwest flow aloft, and that means we're looking at our models, and the models are giving us areas in this lighter shaded green telling us that some precipitation will fall or measure across most of the state. Some darker greens in there as well. So we're looking at a good chance of snow on Saturday, again, even across the lower elevations based on these green colors and what the models are telling us. Therefore, weekend high temperatures will remain cool. There should be more sun on Sunday than Saturday, but here on the left there's Saturday's maximum temperatures across west central Wyoming, and the darker colors are cool colors of blue and purple, highs only in the upper teens and 20s. The lowest elevations could get in the lower to mid 30s on Saturday, but that's going to be about it. On Sunday, a little bit warmer, especially across the southwest part. Take a look down here, Rock Springs, Green River area, Sweetwater County, where temperatures could be in the 30s to lower 40s on Sunday. Generally 30s across the lower elevations with 20s across the far northern part of the state and the mountains. So a little bit of a warm up on Sunday, but nothing very warm as we look ahead in the next 2 or 3 days. How about the early to middle part of next week? Well, high pressure begins to build in a little bit more from the west. Here's the area high pressure on this graphic here, and the warmer air, this arrow pushing into Wyoming and the Rocky Mountain states for that matter. So high pressure over the western United States. Things will begin to warm up after Monday. Dry pattern, it looks like at least Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with near normal temperatures for Wyoming. However, keep in mind, still lots of snow on the ground across western Wyoming. That could result in areas of fog at night and during the early morning hours. The coldest air, you ask? Well, that'll be over the Great Lakes region in the eastern part of the country. Still some cold air there for the next few days into next week. How about beyond next week and the last few days of February? Well, here's the late February outlook. The temperature outlook is on the left, precipitation outlook on the right. Again, some very cold, below normal temperatures in the middle and eastern part of the country. But for Wyoming right here, it looks like near normal temperatures and near normal precipitation, although we'll have to watch to see if the moist westerly flow picks up into the western part of the state, bringing more snow. But overall, not bad for the last week of February. Thank you for watching and listening today. Please call us anytime at the 800 number right up here. You can also follow us on our website, Facebook, Twitter. We have a lot of information we'd like to share about the upcoming week. Thanks again. Have a great day.